Hello student, welcome to Java Programming Lab session. Exercise 3 and the programs related to classes and objects. And in this exercise 3, we have two programs. Okay, coming to exercise 3 belongs to classes and objects. And I told you two programs there. This is the first program. And here, write a Java program to implement class mechanism. Write a Java program to implement class mechanism. Create a class, methods, and invoke them inside main method of the class. So coming to here, so I have defined a class with name ex3a, and here you better to understand the methods of how to create a method into a of a class. And the method declaration, I have created here two methods, static method and public method. And you know the difference between this static method and normal public method. Static method can be called outside of the main without creating any objects. It is an independent method. When we declare this as any method as a static, without creating object of this class, we can call this method into the main method, So here, this public method is a member of a class, should be accessed directly through object of the same class. So we see this process in this example, and we know how to create a class using class keyword. So access specifier of this class as mentioned as public, and class keyword followed by class name. So this is class name, that's why the file name also be same ex3a.java. And coming to the member methods of this class ex3a, so I have created one static method, and this static method return type is void, and method name is hello. So this method is defined as a static. And inside this method, body of the method is nothing but it displaying one simple statement called hello khit. And coming to public method, here public method access specification access modifier is a public, and return type is void, and function name is hi. And body of this hi method, public method, is simply displaying statement hi khit. So coming to main method here, in this main method of the class, I called a statement here called hello method without creating any object. Call to this static method is a valid, it invoked here and simply display on the screen hello khit. Here display hello khit. But the same type of this call to public method of the class hi, it is a public method of the class, it would give compile error because we cannot access the class method without creating object. So how to rectify this one? So that's why I have put here comments line. So if you remove these comments, you will get error. And how to access this hi method? Only possible through creating object of the class. So I have created one object called x of this class exam exercise 3a. Using new operator, I created memory and created an object of the class. And through this object, I can call this hi method. X is an object name dot followed by method name hi, and call to this public method on the object called X. So we can get output as hello khit, hi khit. So go to execution part of this program. So coming to this, one here, console Java C. What is the file name? ex3a dot Java. By pressing enter, is there any compile errors? It displays here. So there is no compile errors here. So you can go and run this code Java space ex3a. It's a file name. When it press enter, hello KHIT is the output from the static method. Hi KHIT is the output of the public method invocation. Got it? Coming to the second program, that is exercise 3, classes and objects. Coming to write a Java program to implement constructor of a class. And we know the concept of constructor very well. The constructor is a special method of a class having the same name as a class has. Coming to here, I have defined one class. Exercise 3b is my class name. So the file name is ex3b.java. And I defined two variables of a student data, student roll number, student name, and roll number as an integer type and student name as a string type. And I have defined one default constructor here. So constructor name should be same as the class name like here. And inside this default constructor, I have initialized the two instance variables of this class, roll number and name, with some values. And given one statement default constructor called here, when object of this class is created, this default constructor called by the compiler automatically. And coming to here, the parameterizer constructor, and we know the concept of this from theory classes. This constructor expects some arguments to be passed when it is invoked. So these two parameters are passed to this constructor when it is invoked, and the first integer value is loaded into roll number instance variable, and the second parameter is string value s that is loaded into the instance variable string type name. And event statement printing here for when call this constructor, parameterizer constructor is called. And one display method to display the values of student, roll number along with the name. And coming to the main function of this class, I have created one object x1 of this class ex3b and created an object of this class. And I call display method and simply display on the screen what initially we have given default constructor here. So here for this statement, here the constructor, we didn't pass any values. So default constructor will call to create this object here, x1, for this x1. So the values 501 and CSC is loaded for the student details, and that values are displayed on the screen. But if you observe here, for this x2 object, for this constructor, we pass two argument parameters 401 and EC. And these values are loaded into the instance variables of the class of this x2 on this x2 object. When we call display function on this x2 object, it displays the values like 401 and ECE like this. So coming to the execution part of this one, okay, coming to the execution part of this one, what is the file name? Java C space ex3b.java. So it gives if there are any compile errors. So there is no any compile errors of this code. Then go and execute this one, Java space ex3b. It create both the objects, one with default constructor and another with parameterized constructor. Default constructor we have given values for like 501 CSC. For parameterized constructor calling, we have given values 401 and EC. Understood? And do these programs, these two exercise, three programs related to classes and objects, concepts and constructor, and write in your observation for this week, today and tomorrow. Okay?